today it's me, Addison, and since we're all out of school, I thought, what a great day to do something really great for our family. So I thought, and I was like, well, today, how about we make some homemade peanut butter cookies? So let's get started. First step, we need to wash our hands. Okay guys, this is what you need to make these delicious cookies. First, you're going to need 1 cup of peanut butter. Then 1 cup of white sugar. Then you're going to need 1 cup of brown sugar. Then 2 eggs. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 cup of unsalted butter. And if you want, you can add a couple drops of vanilla extract. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is put in butter. You're also going to need to put in peanut butter. Whoa, that's a lot of peanut butter, isn't it? It looks like a whole bowl full. We want to get as much peanut butter as we can, because if not, then it'll just look like a plain little cookie. So I'm going to try to get as much peanut butter as I can out of here so we don't just end up with one little tiny cookie that just looks like it's from nothing. Alright, let's add our sugars. I'm going to start with some white sugar. Whoa, it just got very dusty in here. Whoa, sorry. It's really hard. It just doesn't want to come out. How do you get this? Oh. So now we are going to mix them all together. Okay, let's add in our eggs. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry. Sorry, little eggy. So after we put in our eggs, we're going to add in some vanilla. Sorry. And we're going to mix it again. We're really going. And loud. Okay guys, so we're gonna set this aside and work on our dry ingredients. Let's move this right over here. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna need this later, so we can just put that there. Now, we're gonna take another bowl. And I'm gonna mix some flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So this one, this, I'm gonna add in all this. Whoa, that's a big mess. But it's okay. If you make a mistake, it'll help you learn. So that we're just gonna have to clean that up. Baking powder. This one. And then that. Then we're gonna add in baking soda. This one. Then we're gonna add in salt. Okay, so we wouldn't want to just leave this like this. So let's start to mix. Well, it's really soft. Kind of feels like snow, like some really warm snow. That looks really cool. Okay guys, so let's pour these dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, a little at a time. We had a little bit of accident. This is a whole bunch of dry ingredients, so let's see how much dough we have. It'll probably look smaller whenever we pull out the cookies. It's time to mix this. Yeah, it's getting really foggy in here. Let's add. Okay, guys. So let's add some more of our dry ingredients. Okay. Magic lady, hold this. Let's add some more. We only have a little bit more, so let's blend these together with our other mix. Okay, let's add the rest of our dry mixture. All the rest, because we don't have that much left. Trying to make as little as okay. Then we're done with that. Time to blend these together. Okay guys, so we're gonna let this stuff sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour. So let's turn this cold dough into real cookies. So what should we do first? So first we're gonna wash our hands. Okay guys, let's finish up doing all these balls. So to make these cookies, you're gonna need just a little bit, because you're also going to be smashing them down, which will make the cookies even bigger. So if you have a big one, it would turn really big. I'm gonna do this tray. And look, little tiny balls. You don't want them too big, or you're gonna have a gigantic cookie. Because we're gonna do something with these in a minute that's going to make them gigantic. They're really, really sticky because of the eggs and all the stuff in there. It's like, oh. Stop all the flowers. And this one, I'm doing 3. So I think we have enough to make like either 12 or 9, or to either fit 12 or 9 on there. Okay guys, I'm gonna get these rolled up and I'll see you whenever we're done. Okay guys, so we got our peanut butter balls here, but now it's time to smash them to make them really look like a cookie. So we're gonna spread this around. Now we're gonna go that. And that. Look at that cookie. Now we're gonna do this to all of them so that whenever we do it, they will have a cool design, and they won't be like little balls. We also don't want to use a lot of the powder, because if we do, then it's just gonna be a powdery mess. And this dough is really sticky, so I might mess up, but sorry. Okay, we're gonna have to rebuild this one, but it's okay. I'm gonna rebuild this one after, so I'm just gonna set it like that, and we're gonna do the rest. I think I didn't get enough. My mom's gonna fix it. I feel like you didn't get enough powder. Oh, whenever you do it, I think I know why it didn't work. Whenever you do it, the bottom half doesn't get it, so that whenever you dip it in there, the stuff is sticking to it. Okay, let's try this one more time. See? Perfectly good. Now make sure to refill the powder after every one, because a lot of times these type of cookies, some of them absorb all of it, which makes it really hard to make the other one stick with the same powder. So that's why I would recommend you refilling all of them after each cookie. You see how easy it is to peel? That one would have been smushed if we didn't. Okay guys, so we're gonna finish up these cookies and we're gonna show you them and pop them in the oven, and we're gonna show you after they're done to see how good they look. Ooh.
All your money's gone.
Okay guys, we got them out of the oven, so I think now it's time to do a taste test. So I brought my brother here, and he's also gonna do the taste test with it. So let's get started. I'm gonna take this one. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. That's actually really good. That's good. These are we were trying to, my sister was trying to make, we were trying to make crunchy and hard, but they're actually soft. Yeah, because there wasn't enough crunchy peanut butter. Sorry, Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.